Hey everyone! If you're gearing up for an SAP HCM interview and wondering how to nail those questions with confident answers, this video is for you. We'll cover the top 15 most frequently asked questions in SAP HCM with practical answers that sound just like you're sitting in front of an interviewer. Let's make sure you walk in ready to impress, so grab a notepad and let's dive in. 1. What is SAP HCM and how is it structured? SAP HCM stands for Human Capital Management, and it's a comprehensive module in SAP that helps manage the entire employee life cycle. It's structured into several submodules like Personnel Administration, PA, Organizational Management, OM, Time Management, Trademark, Payroll, and Recruitment. Each module handles a specific HR process, and together they ensure smooth HR operations. 2. Can you explain the relationship between OM and PA? Absolutely. Organizational Management, OM, defines the organizational structure like positions, jobs, and reporting hierarchy, while Personnel Administration, PA, manages employee master data. They are tightly integrated, meaning when you assign an employee to a position in PA, it's referencing a position created in OM. 3. What are infotypes in SAP HCM? Infotypes are data containers used to store related HR information like address, personal data, or work schedule. Each infotype has a 4-digit number, for example, 000 for personal data. They allow structured storage and easy access to employee information. 4. What is the difference between internal and external personnel numbers? In SAP HCM, internal personnel numbers are automatically generated by the system, while external numbers are manually assigned by the user. The choice depends on the number range configuration for the employee group. The next question is one you definitely don't want to miss. 5. How does SAP handle time management? Time management in SAP includes recording attendance, absences, work schedules, and overtime. It integrates with payroll to ensure accurate wage calculations. Tools like time evaluation schemas and time pairs are used to automate processing. 6. What is a personnel structure in SAP HCM? A confident way to tackle this would be to say, the personnel structure includes the employee group, employee subgroup, and payroll area. It helps in classifying employees based on roles, payment methods, and working conditions, and is crucial for controlling access and payroll processing. 7. What are features in SAP HCM? Features are decision trees used to automate system behavior based on predefined rules. For example, feature address helps determine the payroll area based on employee group or organizational assignment. 8. What is the role of the payroll area? From my experience, the key point here is the payroll area groups employees for payroll processing. It controls the payroll period, frequency, and retroactive accounting date. It's essential for scheduling payroll runs and locking master data during processing. Here's one that's frequently asked to test practical experience. 9. How is master data maintained in SAP HCM? Master data is maintained through infotypes. We use transaction path 30 to create, change, or display infotypes for an employee. Data can also be maintained via the fast entry screen for multiple employees at once. 10. What is the difference between a job and a position? A job is a general classification, like manager, while a position is a specific instance of a job assigned to an organizational unit. Multiple positions can be based on one job, but each position is unique in the system. 11. What are dynamic actions? Dynamic actions trigger specific actions automatically when certain infotypes are maintained. For example, updating infotype 0001 org assignment might trigger infotype 0007 planned working time creation. These are configured in table T588Z. 12. What is the role of schemas and PCRs in payroll? Schemas are sets of rules that determine how payroll is processed. PCRs, or personnel calculation rules, are logic blocks used within schemas to handle specific calculations like overtime, bonuses, or deductions. Coming up next is a question that interviewers use to gauge your depth of knowledge. 13. How do you perform retroactive accounting in SAP HCM? The main idea behind this is retroactive accounting is triggered when past period master data is changed. The system reprocesses payroll from the retroactive date to the current date to ensure correct calculations. The earliest retro date is controlled by infotype 0003. 14. What is a wage type and how is it used? A wage type represents earnings or deductions like basic pay, bonuses, or tax. It's configured in tables like V_T511 and is used in both infotype maintenance and payroll processing. Scheme. How is integration between SAP HCM and other modules achieved? SAP HCM integrates with modules like FE for payroll postings, CO for cost allocations, and MM for training expenses. Data flows through ALE, iDocs, and function modules, ensuring consistency across the system. And that wraps up our list of the top 15 SAP HCM interview questions and answers. If you're preparing for an HCM role, I hope this gave you the clarity and confidence you need to crack that interview. Remember, understanding the concepts is key, but communicating them clearly during your interview makes all the difference. If you found this helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your favorite question in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, whether it's SAP, data tools, or career tips, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.